Yeah. So now whenever I run this one, you will show up like that. So what I actually want to do here now at this very moment is able to run get block device. Yeah. And to do that, I need to that instruction here. They actually want us to edit the. Now let me just close all of this document that we don't need. So let's just go to quick credit. And beside we still have chat, which is store enable. You know, we already have is enable. You know, so that's why we have store CSI here. This running at the moment. And why we actually using this option, so it's supposed to run C-star. Okay, the things that we need to run is how to get a block device. Okay, so since we don't have that block device here, it's something to do with the NDM filters and the disk itself. So you see that my filter config is set that we should edit the open NDM NDM config. So if you take a look at one of the operator, so let me just take a look at this specific part. Okay, let's just describe it. So okay, that's pretty weird. So config map I think is about it with NDM, node device management. So we need to take a look at the node device management. That's where we need to take a look. So let's just take a look at this one, and you will see that the config map somewhere. Let me take a look. Where is that? They have a lot of toleration, I think. That's not something we need to care. They actually have config map name for API access. Okay, here's config map. So let's take I need that config map here. So we see that we need actually need to edit the shooter somehow. So include dev SDB, dev SDC, and obviously we need to exclude the dev SDA in all config map node, right? So that's just why we need to edit. But I'm not sure this is something we need to care about, but let's just yeah, let's just take a look at the. So this is in node 2. What I can do is I can delete that part for now. I'm going to test this in node 2. So another thing I want to do is add as to node 2, and actually we want to format this. Okay. So the 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 step we need to do is obviously to um, to format the disk. I'm not sure XFS will be helpful, but let's just try with either of them. Oh, so it should be SDB. So let's just run it with dot with the -f. So I think SDB will be here. So here is a block device. What I actually want to see is that whether okay, so this is certainly the node that is just restart. Let's just get block device. It's still not working. So let me just delete port again just to see if it's actually working. So let's check. Oh, you see, that's surprisingly actually working. So you actually need to restart the port that is running to make it work. So let me do the same with this guy. I think it's supposed to work for every node. Holy shit! Now node one they actually have two block device. I'm not sure what the hell with this block device, but you know what? Let me just go to the node one and edit this. Let me edit this one. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, is this for you for all the crap? Yeah, if so, let me try to understand what the hell is happening with the node one. So let's just list the block out. Okay, it's actually have a partition here. So it's really interesting that you have a partition. What we can do is to format the partition as well. Sorry, this block again. Yeah. Delete port. So let's do the same thing with all the nodes, like node 3, this block again. So get post y 3 here. Delete port to this guy, this guy as well. Okay, tricket PD. This actual partition SW1, which is really interesting. I don't even know that. This is in local PV. So we have node 1 and node 2. think it could be a mistake somehow. Let me check what is the mistake with it. But let me just format this 2 days first. And, so for node 3 and node 6 we can actually run this one. Okay, now we need to get the port, delete all the ports we need to delete. So just grab NDM. Okay. One thing I'm not very sure why is this has this partition. It's very weird to see that. Delete partition. So let's just try to delete partition here. So let's just D and then BPW. Okay, I think that's actually good to go for us. Let's just how come it's so slow? Okay. So the node 1 will be this guy. Let me just delete it again. We take a look. for some reason Node 1 has inactive block device. I mean, no, I don't have no idea why. I see only one block device here, and I think there's something wrong with this kind of. So when I restarted it actually failed to, you know, I'm not sure. It's failed to it failed. Let me just delete this block device as well. I mean, you know, this very sensitive things to do. You know, if you remove one of these block device, you have to restart. You have to restart you have to restart the storage, another storage class. I think it's about Cstor storage pool. So if you restart the storage pool, it means that you have to do in regular basis, or else it will start for all application to launch something. I think now we are good now. So when you remove a pod and you launch the pod again, it's not update this list, and it will actually create a new block device that duplicate with previous block device. So it's pretty cool to see that. So you see that let me see if I can get more detail out of this one. So node 2. Okay, except for node 2, I'm not sure why, but let me check why node 2 is actually not working the way I think it should be. It's supposed to be. Now I will delete the node 2 again. I feel like I'm tapping a bit slower than I think it should be. CMS member. Okay, you know what? I actually don't know if what the hell is this block device. If I list block, okay, it actually has some kind of text here. So let me just rewrite. So dp right. Just remove this. To here. Okay, all of them are SFS. So we have at least 6 SDB with 200 gigabyte. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure if it's changed anything. Okay, it's actually changed. It actually changed something. So I'm definitely not sure what is happening. So I definitely not sure, but at least we got the block device, right? Now let's talk to you guys in the next video to talk actually think about this one a bit more in the next video.